We just stood in line for 30 minutes for ROLD and we got one of everything. They ran out of the caramel apple and the sweet orange chicken, which I'm a little sad about, but we'll just have to get that next time. Look at how delicious these are. So these are the sweet ones. So we got s'mores and cherry cheesecake. And then we have the sweet and sour sauce and the ranch in here for the crab rangoon and buffalo chicken rolls. I mean, ugh, I don't know which one to try first. This one's obviously the toasted Rav. I mean, look at that. Let's take a bite. That is delicious. They gave us a pizza, pepperoni pizza one while we were standing in line. Those are also delicious. Trying to see if I can tell which ones they are, so let's try this one. That's the cheeseburger. Buffalo chicken. That buffalo chicken is really good. Oh, here's the spinach artichoke, I bet. You can kind of see it. Y'all gotta try ROLD. I also stopped and got a Sodie, of course. Kimmwick Food Truck Friday is a win.